Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our channel YouTube with me Indah Amalia Hadi. My NPM is 1920294 and I have been studying at IKIP Siliwangi and I'm from class 2019 B3. In this video, I would like to give you the material of interpreting. What is the interpreter, the historical of interpreter, and every single information related with the interpreting and interpreter. And now, I want to give you the definition or outline about the interpreting. The first is the meaning of interpreting, historical background, conference interpreting, license interpreting, differences in rule and state, bilingual it, bilinguals, do-gooders, and other non-interpreters. And the next, I want to give you the definition of interpreting. Interpreting is the oral transfer of message between speakers of different language. Interpreting is just one of the oldest of human activities, and the role of the interpreter is arguably one of oldest of the professions. And the next, I want to give you the historical background. The first written proof of interpreting dates back to 3000 BC, at which time the ancient Egyptians had a hieroglyphic signifying interpreter. The next widely known use of interpreting occurred in ancient Greece and Rome. For both the ancient Greeks and Romans, learning the language of people that they conquered was considered very undignified. And furthermore, during this era and up until the 17th century, Latin was still French or the language of diplomacy in Europe, and therefore all nations should have some citizens who spoke Latin in order to carry a diplomatic relation. And the next, throughout the countries, interpreting become more and more widely spread to a number of factors. The first is religion, and the second age of exploration, and the third is International Labour Conference in Geneva, Switzerland in 1927. However, multilingual situations do not always require interpreting for some reasons. The first is, for some groups, individual and multilingualism is a common feature, e.g. the notable multilingualism of Australian Aboriginal groups. And the second is communication. Problems may be overcome by use of recognized linguist French, generally not the mother tongue. And the third is certain social groups gain multilingual skills because their particular rules, e.g. traders. And the fourth is where geographical boundaries are short, there might have been little understanding of the language of others who live even a little distance away. And the next is type of interpreting. The first is conference interpreting. Conference interpreting is a significant advance for conference interpreters come immediately after World War II when a number of war crimes trials. New technology allowed experiments with simultaneous interpreting, whereby interpreters worked from soundproof booths and relayed their message through earphones to listeners in the courtroom. And the next is license interpreting. It has not always been seen by conference interpreters as an area of interpreting in its own right, but rather as a residual arm of language work at best or multilingual welfare work at worst. In the First World War II decide, several social and economic developments led to its growth. The two main areas of development were in international business contact and less spectacularly but more pervasively. In relation to immigrant and indigenous population who did not speak the dominant language of their society. And the next is differences in rule and state. Just as international conference interpreters gain their state from the reflected state of the clients they serve, so The license interpreter is the varied for settings. The question of state and reflected state in turn very influence how their role and contribution are understood. Prevailing social and institutional norms will strongly affect the way in which interpreters' function is understood. And the next is, I have summary. The development in license interpreting has been subject to very influential forces that continue to determine its state and the understanding of its role. The whole field of license interpreting has been profoundly influenced by its own social settings of minority or majority relationship, identification with minorities and minorities, interests, and broader state issues. Maybe that's all. Thank you for watching and attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.